Neonicotinoids, a highly toxic and widely used family of pesticides, is killing of pollinators, declining beneficial insects population, as well as insectivorous birds and other insect consumers. It is also affecting human health by cancer, endocrine disruption, reproductive effects, neurotoxicity, kidney or liver damage. Birth and developmental defects in humans are being reported. Toxicity of neonicotinoids is also threatening ecosystem, wildlife and food security. So now the question is, what are these neonicotinoids? Why are these being used? And how it is affecting human health, ecosystem, wildlife and food security? Neonicotinoids are a class of synthetic neurotoxic insecticide which is chemically similar to nicotine. There are at least 7 neonicotinoid active ingredients that are available to manage insects from at least 9 taxonomic orders in many different pest systems, including large-scale agriculture, livestock production, fruit and vegetable crops, forestry, home landscapes and even pets. Since their introduction in early 1990, neonicotinoids have become the most widely used insecticide in the world. And now, about 22 years after their introduction, widely use of 3 main neonicotinoid active ingredients such as imidacloprid, clothianidin and thiamethoxam is increasing the toxic load of agricultural landscapes, forests and other ecosystems throughout the world, possessing threats or killing of pollinators, beneficial insects and other sensitive taxa. Let me explain how. Agrochemical companies, pest managers and farmers use neonicotinoids to manage a broad range of insect species that attack the plant tissues. But when it is applied, the neonicotinoids get absorbed into the roots, leaves or bark and transported to the rest of the plant through xylem or phloem, making the whole plant toxic. Hundreds of studies, several comprehensive academic assessment, extensive Cornell University research, and even a major pesticide industry funded field studies are all pointing to neonics as a leading cause of massive decline of pollinators and beneficial insects population around the globe. So here I want to give a quick reminder that there are some specific evidence and official research data to all the information I am giving in this video. If you want to access all the sources and links to my information, then you can find it in our Telegram group. I cannot post any links or sources in the description because YouTube will again remove the video as before. So please join our Telegram group, link in the description. So now let's see how neonicotinoids is affecting human health. According to Center for Disease Control and Prevention, about half of the US population is exposed to at least one type of neonicotinoid on a regular basis, with children ages 3 to 5 having the greatest exposures. Other research links neonics to a host of neurological harm like muscle tremors as well as health effects including lower testosterone levels, altered insulin regulation and changes to fat metabolism. Pre-reviewed research has even linked exposure to neonics while pregnancy leads to birth defects, such as deformation of heart and brain. Unfortunately, neonics regularly pollute the water sources, and traditional chlorination treatments failed to remove them from the tap water. And lastly, let's see how neonicotinoids is threatening ecosystem, wildlife and food security. These neonics compounds are highly mobile, seeping into groundwater and soils, causing soil and water contamination and also reduces the crop yields. The nitro-substituted neonicotinoids including imidacloprid, thiamethoxam and clothianidin, which is also a metabolite of thiamethoxam, are the most frequent used neonicotinoids and tend to have measurably greater persistence than the organophosphorus, carbamate and pyrethroid insecticides, with half-lives of 39 to 174 days in soils. Additional research finds that top fruit crops including apples, blueberries and cherries are now pollinator limited nationwide, due to which farmers are producing fewer of these crops because of a loss of pollinators. Although some countries have tried to ban these neonics, but it was unsuccessful. Still today in 2022, it is being used all around the world. So make sure about the food you eat and the water you drink, because they are trying their best to poison this world until they enslave the humanity. So you might be thinking, who are they? You can find out that in the description of this video. If you want to support my contents, then please share this video and subscribe this channel, which will really help me to develop the quality of information and contents in this channel. And thank you for listening till the end.